Hi, James Mullen, Head of Performance at Puma. We're at the Expo, as you can see, and our major focus for this year has been the Ignite product, specifically the footwear behind me, which is a new innovation that we've come up with, a high energy midsole, and it's great and ideal for an everyday runner. Running tip from my side to any athlete: to make sure you fit in the right shoe. Make sure what kind of style of runner you are, either neutral or overpronate or supinating, and make sure that the shoe fits that profile.